Welcome back to the Car Xplorer, where performance meets passion and every drive tells a story. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic driver-focused machines ever built, the 2026 Porsche 911 GT3. This is not just a car, it's a track-bred legend refined for the road, and Porsche has once again pushed the limits of precision, power, and pure driving emotion. From the very first glance, the 2026 Porsche 911 GT3 makes a bold statement. Its exterior design is aggressive yet unmistakably Porsche. The signature wide-body stance, sculpted front bumper, and massive rear wing are not just for show. They are engineered for maximum downforce and stability at high speeds. The updated aerodynamic elements, including refined air intakes and a reworked rear diffuser, improve airflow and cooling, making this GT3 even more track-capable than before. Lightweight materials such as carbon fiber panels and a magnesium roof help reduce weight, keeping the car razor-sharp and responsive. The iconic LED headlights, wider rear haunches, and center-mounted exhaust complete a look that screams motorsport DNA. Step inside the 2026 Porsche 911 GT3, and you're instantly reminded that this car is built for drivers. The interior blends racing minimalism with premium craftsmanship. Alcantara, carbon fiber, and high-quality leather dominate the cabin, creating a cockpit that feels both luxurious and purposeful. The full bucket seats provide exceptional support during aggressive cornering, while the steering wheel feels perfectly weighted and connected. A digital instrument cluster delivers essential driving data clearly, and the updated infotainment system adds modern convenience without distracting from the driving experience. Despite its track focus, the GT3 still offers enough comfort for everyday usability, proving that performance and practicality can coexist. Under the hood, the heart of the 2026 Porsche 911 GT3 is a naturally aspirated 4-liter flat-six engine, a rare and beautiful thing in today's turbocharged world. This engine delivers an exhilarating power output of around 520 horsepower, screaming all the way to a spine-tingling redline above 9,000 RPM. Buyers can choose between a lightning-fast PDK dual-clutch transmission or a purist-friendly 6-speed manual, making this GT3 a dream for true enthusiasts. The suspension setup, inspired by Porsche's racing programs, ensures incredible handling precision, while rear-wheel steering enhances agility at both low and high speeds. On the road or the track, the GT3 feels perfectly balanced, delivering confidence-inspiring performance with every turn. When it comes to performance, the numbers speak for themselves. The 2026 Porsche 911 GT3 can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just over 3 seconds, with a top speed approaching 200 mph. But what truly sets this car apart is not just straight-line speed. It's the way it corners, brakes, and communicates with the driver. Every input feels direct. Every movement feels intentional, making the driving experience deeply rewarding. Now let's talk pricing. The 2026 Porsche 911 GT3 is expected to start at around $185,000, with prices climbing higher depending on customization and optional packages. While it's certainly not cheap, the GT3 offers unmatched driving purity, motorsport heritage, and long-term value that few cars can rival. So if you're looking for a car that delivers raw emotion, track-ready performance, and timeless design, the 2026 Porsche 911 GT3 stands in a league of its own. If you enjoyed this in-depth review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And stay tuned to Car Xplorer for more iconic machines and future-ready performance.